As high-performance car care grows, enthusiasts and professionals alike are looking for ways to extend engine life and improve efficiency. Just as mechanical keyboards attract gamers and typists with their durability and tactile experience, DPF cleaning fluids are. List number 1. The Archoil Diesel Fuel System Kit is a comprehensive solution designed for drivers who want more than just DPF maintenance. It covers the entire fuel system. The kit includes the AR6500 diesel treatment, a powerful additive that boosts cetane levels, cleans injectors, and reduces emissions. By tackling fuel system issues upstream, it ensures the DPF works more efficiently and lasts longer. What sets this product apart is its multifunctional formula. It not only targets soot buildup, but also improves combustion, which leads to fewer particulates clogging the filter. Regular use helps enhance throttle response, fuel economy, and cold start performance. For vehicles with older or high-mileage diesel engines, this kit is especially beneficial in restoring lost power. Its easy dosing bottle makes it user-friendly. Just add the recommended amount to your fuel tank. Users report noticeable improvements in engine smoothness and reduced regeneration cycles. While it's priced slightly higher than single-purpose cleaners,
List 2. Lucas Oil 10873 Diesel Deep Clean is a trusted name in the world of fuel system and DPF cleaning. This treatment is formulated to reduce particulate matter, clear soot deposits, and enhance overall combustion efficiency. It works by cleaning the injectors and improving fuel burn, which in turn reduces the amount of soot entering the DPF. The product's biggest strength is its ease of use. A single treatment can be added directly into the fuel tank, and it begins working during regular driving. Many users note improved fuel economy and smoother acceleration within the first tank. Unlike some aggressive cleaners, Diesel Deep Clean is designed to be safe for all types of diesel engines, including modern systems with sensitive sensors. Another highlight is its regeneration support. By promoting more complete combustion, it reduces the need for frequent DPF regenerations, ultimately extending filter life. Customers with high-mileage trucks and off-road vehicles have found it particularly effective in preventing power. List 3. When it comes to professional-grade maintenance, Liqui Moly 2110 Pro Line DPF Cleaner stands out as one of the most effective products on the market. Designed for use in workshops and by skilled DIY users, this cleaner is applied directly into the DPF via a specialized spray process, rather than being poured into the fuel tank. Its water-based, non-flammable formula dissolves carbon and ash deposits safely and efficiently. Unlike fuel additives that work over time, this cleaner provides immediate results, restoring filter performance in a single application. This makes it ideal for vehicles with heavily clogged filters, or for situations where a replacement filter would otherwise be necessary. The cleaner is especially valued by professionals for its ability to restore exhaust flow, reduce back pressure, and prevent costly DPF replacement. Many users report noticeable performance improvements right after cleaning.
However, it requires some technical know-how or workshop tools.
List number 4. The Liqui Moly Diesel Particulate Filter Protector is a preventive solution rather than a one-time heavy-duty cleaner.
Each 250 milliliter bottle is designed to be added to the fuel tank at regular intervals, helping to maintain DPF efficiency and prolong filter life. This product is best for users who want continuous protection rather than waiting until the DPF is already clogged. Its formula supports the regeneration process by lowering the combustion temperature of soot, making it easier for the filter to burn off deposits during normal driving. Over time, this reduces the frequency of forced regeneration cycles, saving both fuel and maintenance costs. The 2-bottle pack ensures good value, providing multiple treatments for ongoing care. It's safe for all diesel engines and works well in combination with other Liqui Moly products for full system protection. Users especially appreciate its role in keeping filters clear during urban driving, where short trips often prevent natural regeneration.
List number 5. The Archoil AR6400D Diesel Fuel System Cleaner is a targeted solution designed to clean injectors, turbochargers, EGR systems, and the DPF itself. It's a concentrated fuel additive that works throughout the system, addressing the root causes of DPF blockages, poor combustion, and soot buildup. What makes AR6400D particularly effective is its all-in-one cleaning approach. It removes carbon from hard-to-reach components like the EGR valve and turbo vanes, while also optimizing injector spray patterns. This results in improved fuel atomization, which leads to cleaner combustion and reduced particulate output. Drivers often report restored power, smoother acceleration, and reduced smoke emissions after just one treatment. It's also useful as a preparatory cleaner before using the AR6500 treatment, creating a complete system care cycle.